Hello, Alex's EDC Army, and welcome to Alex's Knives and Such, where the such stands for EDC gear. On this episode of What Am I Flipping, I have the Spyderco Manix 2, the ball lock, and you can slow roll it, or fast flick it, reverse flick. Yeah, has a Spyderco hole that we all know and love. It is CPM S30V, made in Golden, Colorado, USA earth. It is not the lightweight. Has a lanyard tube area. Has this caged in area or closed in area for the ball cage and the ball in the ball cage. Spyderco logo. Pocket clip can go tip up, right, or left. You get jimping right here. You get jimping on the ball lock tabs. You get jimping right here. You get jimping right here, right here, right here, and right here. A lot of jimping. So you could do this. You could do this. You could do this, and you could do this. Spyderco Manix 2 in CPM S30V. A good steel, good action. Reverse flick. Oh, fail. Left hand is even good. And this is a Spyderco Manix 2. That's what I am flipping today, Spyderco Manix 2. Let me know what you think of this knife in the comment section below. If you have one, how does it work for you? Like, comment, share, subscribe, even dislike. Have a great day. Be safe. Subscribe to my channel for more to come. Enjoy the hobby. Hopefully you get something good, decent. Collect what you like. Be safe. Look out for the guy, girl to your left. Look out for the guy, girl to your right. Hashtag be up. Hashtag DSKFS. Choose love, not hate. Enjoy your friends, your family, your pets, your yummy food, your music, your video games. And remember to use your sharp blades. Bye.